Hello everyone. Today I shall give you a very quick overview of Office 365, the popular cloud offering from Microsoft. Office 365 is a set of productivity tools which help you run your organization, whether small or large, 365 days a year. All the applications you get are fantastic solutions available as on-premise solutions since many years. So what you get is proven enterprise class solutions used by most of the Fortune 500 companies. These proven solutions are delivered to you as a service using a phenomenally secure data centers operated directly by Microsoft. These data centers are geographically spread out all over the globe. So if one data center goes down, the backup comes up within no time. You consume these services on a subscription model just as you would consume electricity. For example, you consume more, you pay more, you consume less, you pay less. What you see here is an elegant app launcher, which is a great startup screen for Office 365. It will show all the apps a user is subscribed to, and the user can directly go to a specific app which he wants to work. What you get in Office 365 are not some consumer class services hurriedly stitched together. You get best of breed solutions. Consider this. You get Exchange as a messaging service. Without any doubt whatsoever, Exchange is the #1 messaging platform in the world. Each user gets 50 GB of mailbox. The USP of Exchange is a complete sync of mails, contacts, calendars, tasks, notes across all devices, be it browser, be it PC, mobile, tablet. You also get SharePoint as a collaboration platform, the #1 collaboration platform in the world. It is also the #1 document management system in the world. And it is a first choice for companies for deploying workflow applications. You get Lync as a unified communication platform, which again is among the top 3 solutions in its category. You get Office. Now what can I say about MS Office? It is probably one of the engines on which our world runs. The Office licensing is user-based, meaning that if a user is using more than one device, he still needs only one license. And the Office you get is a regular installable copy just as like a MS Office. And no, you do not have to be online to be able to use MS Office. It supports co-authoring, meaning multiple people can simultaneously work on a single file. You get Office Online, which are the web edition of the MS Office, so that you can use them from anywhere. OneDrive for Business is another great app. Currently, each user gets 1 TB of cloud storage. It is a file share and sync app just like Dropbox, but only better. You have OneDrive for Business apps available for Android and iPhone and iPad so that you can truly work from any device. Yammer is an enterprise social platform. Think of Yammer as a Facebook for companies. It supports almost all the features of Facebook, except that it is more secure and restricted to your company users and stakeholders like suppliers, partners, etc. Delve is another new addition to the family, which combines artificial intelligence and machine language to give you the most relevant information across your work life. Video is another new member of the family. As the name suggests, you can upload corporate videos on your intranet, giving an integrated platform for collaboration. Being a cloud service, more and more functionality is getting added to the platform every day. Stuff like business intelligence and CRM is already available. So how do you subscribe to this service? There are 2 families of plans, business and enterprise. There are variants for education, government and not-for-profits, but let's focus on business and enterprise plans. You can do a mix and match of the plans. Business plans have a cap of 300 users. Enterprise plans have no such upper limit. You can get the latest plan details by referring to our website indicated in this slide. In terms of purchase, there are 2 ways. One is to make online purchase using advisor model, where you can add partner TechGyan and we can help you with the setup. Here you pay to Microsoft. The second model is open, which is how people buy paper licenses. So here you place order on partner like Tigyan and make the payment to the partner. The license is delivered to you, with which you can add details to your volume license service center. Here are some of the ways by which you can contact us. Thank you for watching this video and have a wonderful